Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the Spyderco Dragonfly folding knife, and the part number is C28P. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe to be alerted on new products, discounts, specials, and how-to videos. So this features a stainless steel VG10 blade, and it measures almost 2.5 inches. And it's a full flat ground blade, and also has the stainless steel handle, as you can see, and it has a back locking mechanism, as you can see here. So I'm going to push to release that to be able to open it up. It does have the Spyderco signature thumb hole, so I can open it up one-handed very easily that way. So the knife costs $86.10, and that includes free shipping. And again, make sure to subscribe. Please like this video. That helps us out a lot. And please share this with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.